Hello, my name is Bill, and welcome back to MindYourCrypto. And I think that from now on, I can be more consistent. Not maybe 3 to 4 videos that I uploaded back in the days per day, but maybe one video per day should be enough for me. I'm not going to work as much as I did, and I'm not going to stress out myself as much as I did back then, because when I was stressed out, I did the most failed trades. You should not do that as well. Let's go right now and see where crypto is heading. And to see where crypto is heading, of course, we have to look at Bitcoin's chart first. Okay, so what Bitcoin has been doing right here. You remember that back in December, I was telling you that 15 to 17K for me would be, 15.5K for me would be the lowest price that Bitcoin would do, and you should be buying, right? And that's now where we are at 100,000 USD BTC. Of course, we surpassed the all-time highs. We are way above it. And right now, what we want to see is if Bitcoin has any more room left to go upwards. Okay, so what we need to do is, in the bull cycles, never go to daily frames, never go to 4-hour frames, always go to weekly and monthly frame. If you want to trade, go to weekly and monthly frame for the bull cycle. Now I am in the monthly frame. Is BTC cycle over? I'm hearing some overhyped prices like 500,000 USD Bitcoin. I'm hearing some very confident 200,000 USDT Bitcoin. What I personally do is that I go step by step on my trades, and what I'm doing is that, for example, Bitcoin is at 100,000 right now. Okay, so perhaps yes, we can go higher, but right here you can see that we already have a risk. What is the risk? The RSI. We have a bearish RSI divergence for, you can see that we are going from here, the highest point, to the lowest point while the price is increasing. I've always told you that this is an indicator. It can be false, but it's giving us a risk, right? You can see right here that what we are having is that we are having the highest bearish RSI. Oh, here we go, the cat behind me. We have the bearish RSI divergence. You can see right here, and in the price, when we go in the price, you can see that the price is getting from a lower point to a higher point. Okay, so this means that we already are in a risk. Can this be broken? For example, can we go this monthly RSI right here? Can it close, for example, around there, or maybe even higher? Yes, and this will indicate that we are going to 200,000 USDT. If any monthly frame closes above the 76.78 around their RSI, then that means that Bitcoin is heading to 200,000 USDT for sure. Right now, we have a little bit of a risk. My personal opinion is that bull cycle has not yet ended, but by the way, we started the bull cycle right here on a little bit on Monday, January 2024. The 2024 was a good month because we had February. Then we went down a little bit sideways. You can see right here, when we know a Bitcoin and the crypto is very strong, is when the price is going sideways, but the RSI is relatively falling down and falling down, but the price remains intact. Okay, this is where Bitcoin is going upwards. This is where we know that the crypto market will have another pop-up. I think that Bitcoin is going to 130,000 USDT. For sure, for me personally, Bitcoin is going up to 130,000 USDT, around there. But for other prices, I'm not certain about. Personally, as for the altcoins, I have a close look at Solana against USDT for now, and of course for Litecoin. I will explain later on why I do believe that these cryptos will go upwards, but at the same time, what I'm doing right now is I have left all the seed coins, all the meme coins, and I am focusing more on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins that are proving themselves in the crypto blockchain, mainly in the technological aspect and not in the trading aspect. And I'm focusing right there, seeing that the price is going higher. I believe that we are going to see higher prices for Solana as well. Maybe 500 USDT is also possible for Solana. You always know that I'm into the optimistic side, but I'm not over exploding with confidence about Bitcoin going to 1 million or 500,000 USDT in this bull cycle, right? We have to take it step by step. Personally, I think that the bull cycle is far from over. I think that the bull cycle, though into the 2025, we are going to have a little bit of a price drop down, right? And we should be a little bit skeptical about our trades. Please do not overextend the hype that they are providing you. First, step by step. We take it to 130,000 USDT. Of course, if the RSI closes above the 76.78, around there, this is a good sign, and we are going to 200,000 USDT. But at the same time, please be careful. Always on the trades. Place stop losses. I will make more videos, and see you soon. Bye.